This is my new Logitech MX Master 3 mouse. This is the old one. This is going to get replaced with this one now. So let's do the unboxing. Wow, that looks nice. For a change, a bigger mouse. It says max speed, ultra scrolling, too much fancy stuff. If you need to scroll through thousands of lines of code, all that 10,000 lines of code, if you are written in one file, you can just scroll and see faster. Let's open. Okay. Is this? It looks a little cheap, the packaging for this price. Hopefully it's I'm not duped. Wow. Can you see it? It's beautiful. It's maybe the biggest mouse I have used in all of my career. I'm gonna grab it. Oh, it's heavy. Feels nice. It's heavy. And you can see lots of stuff written here. I don't see a manual. That's okay. Maybe it's somewhere here. Let's see. So there is an on button. Oh, the click feels so good. It's loud, but it feels so good. These are the scroll. Oh, this. See that? Can you hear it? Maybe. It's nice. On. That's my on button. And there is connectivity through USB or Bluetooth. I will opt for the Bluetooth one because I need to connect to at least 3 devices. And you can see it's possible to switch between 3 of them. Just like I think there is a button over here. Yeah, you just need to click on it and it will tell you to which you have connected it. So that's it. This is how it looks. It looks gorgeous. It feels so great in hand, and I think I'm gonna have a good time with this working. It's more going to be maybe for productivity use. If let's say I need to laterally move, like horizontally. This is more vertical and this is more horizontal, and I don't know what these are. Maybe I need to venture. I might just be using maybe these four for my regular stuff, and maybe these are for configurable things. Need to see. Not really sure. And even there are some buttons over here. I don't know. I need to investigate more. Maybe I'll come back with after using it for maybe a couple of weeks and then tell you how it is good for maybe programming and for video editing and even designing. I do all of 3, so maybe I don't do much of maybe gaming, so maybe I will not be the right person to give feedback on gaming, but let me try that. And this is what you need to connect if you're not connecting through Bluetooth. So this you need to connect to your Wi-Fi of your machine, and then you can connect this wirelessly. So I have some more stuff. Yeah, this is for how do you even charge it if you don't have a wire. So this is USB 3 charging. Pretty neat, right? Because all of my devices are USB 3. It's gonna make sense to have USB 3 than USB 2 or USB A. This is USB-C. It's not 3. It's USB-C. Okay. So that's what. Then maybe I'll just read through it to understand the other keys, how to configure even that, or maybe I'll just look through their website to understand more. But then yeah, how I'm just replacing this, and maybe I'll have this combo working now. My Keychron and Logitech 3 working together and in my nice looking desk. So hope you like this video, guys, the unboxing one, and I'll come back with more tutorials and reviews of after having used this So until the next episode, it's bye from me.